Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing. It is 10,000 square meters along Barangay Road, overlooking to the sea, located in Barangay Bagakay, Talibon, Bohol. So, this is along the road. So, ang kagandahan dito guys, dinidevelop na nila yung daanan papunta sa itaas. So, at nakita natin yung yung suba, yung small river. Kapag may pump boat ka, pwede yun, ipapark mo doon. So, pwede doon guys. At may maraming mga fishermen din guys diyan. At pwede ka makabili ng labas, yung presko na isda. Yan kagandahan. It is overlooking to the sea guys. Overlooking to the sea, northern part of Bohol Province, located in Barangay Bagakay, Talibon, Bohol. So, yun po ang maganda sa property na to. It is a rush sale. So, rush talaga to. It's 3.5 million pesos. Parang 350 pesos lang yata yun 350 pesos. Super mura, no? Kasi yung mga kalapit or next lot ay nasa nasa 1,500 na. Ito is 3.5. So magkaiba talaga yung mga may-ari, no? Actually the owner is not around again, no? She is in the US. Nandun sa USA. Pero pinabinta kasi kailangan ng financial. So bakit nandun sa US may kailangan ng financial? Hindi. Nagpaano raw? Basta may transaction doon, kailangan ng pera. So, yun po guys. Anyway, ito pong property ay maganda talaga. Sa taas is flat terrain na and overlooking to the sea. So, kapag makuha mo yung mga kahoy-kahoy, yung mga kahoy o yung mga puno-puno dyan, wala na, maganda na yan tingnan. Tingnan mo, no? Ang kagandahan pa dito, may sariling balon or deep well. So, it's really an overlooking to the sea. See? So, 3.5 million pesos only, guys. 3.5 million pesos. Imagine, very affordable. Very cheap. So, yan po. Tax declaration, walang problema. I-title lang natin agad yan to the new owner. So, deed of sale, title agad, Rosenro. May several mango trees. May mga puno ng mangga. Yan po, okay. So, yan ang kagandahan ng property. Kahit dito, makita mo yung dagat. Just 10 minutes drive from town proper in Talibon. Then 10 minutes to Hitape, Bohol. Town proper to seaport. So parang ganyan lang guys. At ito ay ang balon. So this is the deep well, no? Okay. So may tubig. Wala nang problema. Okay? Russell Russell. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.